Welcome to all. So let's continue with a user administration part. And today we will learn about a password command. So password command is using to change a password. Let's say we have created any user. So let me create a user. So in earlier lecture, we have learned how to add a user add. And let me add any user. Let's say I'm adding a DevOps user, DevOps one. Okay. So once I have added a DevOps user, I need to give a password using a password command. Okay, so let me use a password command and here. So before that, let me show you here. Let me make one more duplicate session. Okay, so here it will update the password in shadow file here. So right now there is no password showing here. So let's give a password here. And after that, uh, it will encrypt the password here. Now, if we can see, we are able to see $6. $6 means we have used algorithm SHA512. So SHA512 algorithm $6 means we have used SHA512 algorithm. And for recap, where we will find out that information /etc/login.dapps. So there you will get the information about. Okay, so like that we can use we can set the password here. And password, we have other features here. Suppose if you want to check the status of your user, we are using a password in DevOps. So here you will see, here it will show us a encrypted password, which algorithm we are using here. So you can see here it show us which algorithm your password is encrypted, and it's showing the information about how many days it was password has been set. Here you can see, and you can see the age, and when you will get a warning, and account will never expire. So here you will not get a more details. I will let you know which commands you can get a clear details here. So little bit here, just I will let you know. So right now I'm just telling you right now that is the information about that. Okay, so let's say example, if you want to see the more information, so I need to use a chase -l, and we will get this user information in more details. Now it's easy to about it, right? So earlier here also you're getting the information, but it's not clear, right? So now you can see, so here you can see your last password change. So today I have changed the password expiry never, password inactive never, and minimum number of days password between password change, that is a 0, and max password day, the password before change, it's equal to, we can say never, it's equal to never. And uh, number of days of warning before password expires, 7 days. So you will get here more details. You need to remember this command, chase space -l space username. Here L means it will list out here. Okay, so now if you want to lock your account, suppose, okay, you want to lock, then use a -l command, and you want to lock your user. Let's give us a name. Now locking password for user here. So I have locked the password here, and let's say, is there any changing, is there any, let me give it here n2 n2. Okay, so now here see the things here. This is a very it is asking in the interview also how you can know your password is logged or not. I'm highlighting here, please watch carefully, you will see. And earlier was, it means if you find this exclamation mark, so it means account logged. Okay, so in interview people will can ask, the probability is less actually. Okay, this probability is less, okay, people, but rarely they can ask you how would you know your account is locked? You said I will check using a password. They said no. They don't want to know from from a command. They want where you will get the information. How you will you know? So you can told these things here. Exclamation mark 2 times is there, and here it is the unlock here. And let me make unlock again. And okay, so I'm making it unlock. Let me make unlock here, password and -u, and the user is this is a user. I unlocked it, and now check it now again. Now I can see it's gone. Okay, so like then we can lock or unlock our users here. Okay, so and now let's come on the chase part. We can check the status here using a, so we have created DevOps user and so on. So here you can see, and here I have let you know that we can check these things in details using a chase command -l, and it's very easy actually here. Okay, so if you want to reset these things, okay, you want to expire your account or all these things, how we can do? We can use a chase and DevOps one. It's very easy here. So right now, minimum password age. If you want to give a minimum password age, it's up to you. I'm not giving just max password age. Let's say I want to give password age 30, let's say 90 days. Okay, 90 days I'm giving here. Okay, last password change, I want to make same as like I don't want to touch here. And the warning is, let's say I want to give a warning 3 weeks before. Okay, as per best practice standard, let's give it 21 days. And password inactive, I'm not changing. I want to go as it said never. -1 means never. And account expiry date, do you want to expire your account? Later I will do it, not right now. I'm not doing any changing here, just I did a one changing here. I did a changing here. Okay, so now let's say if I did a changing here, so what happened now? You will get a 90 days here, and here it will show us a date. Okay, max password age. Now let me show you here. So let's use a chase DevOps one. Okay, so now you see I have not given a date here, but automatically I have given a 90 days. It calculated December 29, your password will expire. So mostly in your net banking, it happens. And or either if you are in your organization, you are using LDAP account, it will give 21 days before, 3 weeks before they have send you the email alert, your password is going to expire. So here, okay, and your account will be password will be expire. And if you want to make your account expire, so let's make your account expire or something also. Let's do a changing. Okay, so now so let me do a chase. Let me do a chase -l and the username. So let me do a changing more things here. So minimum is I don't want to, and max password is I will make, and last password change, I'm not giving any value here. Password expiration warning, I want to make it 3 weeks only. Password inactive, you want to make a password inactive, so you can give it here. So let's say I want to make a password inactive 2021 and 12 and 01. Okay, so changing a field, wait here, and let me give in a days here. So I'm giving a days, let's say 30 days. Okay, so it is in a days here, and -1, if it is a -1, what does it mean by -1 here? -1 means never. That is the meaning of never. This never is came. Why? Because -1. And account expiry, here you need to give a date if you want to make your account expire. Let's say I want to expire account in 01. Okay. Okay, now let's see the details here. Now you will see here your password expiration is your December 29, 2000. Password will be inactive in Jan 28, 28, and account will be expire here. So like that you can make it. And now you want to roll back again. So let's do a rollback, but this time, okay, let me make a one rollback here. And after that, I will use a commands also. So here I need to make it 999. Okay. So it will is equal to never. So here I need to put here. So I'm keeping same things here. Okay. So now you can see never came here, and the max number of days password between change. Okay, password change. And if you think you want to do it using your so here you can see a password inactive also gone here. Okay, so now your account will be expire, so you can use a -1. So I'm not using this command. I will let you know here. You need to make a password here. I need to make a -1, but I'm not doing here. I'm doing a Control-C. I will change here using this command only, but change --help. So here your account. Okay, so here your here -e set account expiry date to here expiration date to expiry date. I will use a arguments. This time I will do it with a arguments. So I will use a -1 and DevOps 1 here. Okay, so now let me do. So okay, so I did a mistake with a DevOps 1. Okay, so if user does not exist in a /etc password, you can see it will throw us a error here. Okay, so now let's check it. Chase -l and username here. So now you can see account expired never. So we did roll back again. I will keep it same as like 21, no problem. So here you will see account expiry. But if you want to make a never, so I can use a like then also be the single commands. If you like that way, chase space a chase space username. If you like that way, you can do either. You can use these arguments also. Here, if you want inactive -I set password inactive after expiration to inactive. Okay, so password inactive. It's talking about this password inactive. Okay, it's already never here. If you want, you can make the changing here. You can use these things with the respective values. So here I will show you one file here, ls-l. So here you can see this is a file. Let's take example of file 3 here, who is owner root and group is a root. But if you want to change a owner, you want make as a DevOps user. So let me make a DevOps 1 and you want to make a group, for example, HR group, okay? And you want to make a owner, DevOps 1 and group, you want to make a HR and file 3. So like that, you can change it. Now check it. Is it changed or not? Now you can see, is it changed? Okay, so now you can change DevOps H. So like that we can change. If you want to change only group, so use a group, and this time I want to IT group for, let's say, file 2. Okay, I want to just change only group. So if you see here, So you can see IT came here. Okay. Earlier it was root. Now it came as AIT. So we are using these command change group, change honor. Change honor, if you are using, you need to use a colon. Okay. And your username, your group name. Or if you want change only honor, so let's say I want to change a honor only. Let's say I want to make a DevOps honor for a file 1 2. So you can change honor honor only. So let's see ls-lrt. So here you can change, see only honor changed. If you make it a colon and you have give a group name, so group will change. So ch honor is the command. You can do both the things. You don't need to use a change group separately.